Hi guys, today we have another unboxing video on HYTOBP drone for 14 years old. It's a P17, whatever that means. Going through the description on the box, choking hazards, some warnings it comes with. It doesn't actually identify how many batteries we'll get in the kit, which is a bit of a shame. Going around the box, anything around it, nothing. So that's a quite simple box. We're gonna take this tab off here. Oh, that is better. Okay, sorry guys, so we had some technical difficulties with my cameras, so one of them was overheating. So this is the case that comes in the box with the drone. Just gonna quickly go around it, open it. Looks like a good enough case, not too tight. Okay, and this is the big day drone. Okay, we'll take this out. Take all the other bits out. The remote. These are the batteries. Okay, so it comes with 3 batteries by the looks of it. Put these on there. And we also have, oh, this is the GPS. There's nothing else in the case. Okay. So we've got some spare parts. We've got charging cable, some fins, got a screwdriver, got some bolts, Phillips screwdriver, some bolts. Okay, that's good to know. We've got a bit of an instruction manual how to use it. Very good actually. There's a lot of pictures on it. It's in different languages, so it's good. It's good to have that. We've got some QR codes as well. This is for the apps required to use the drone. Okay, if you need to scan the QR code again, please have a look and scan it. Hopefully that light is not in the way. Okay. Okay guys, so I had some technical difficulties, so I had to resume the video. For some reason while my cameras was overheating. So this is the control. Got some action buttons. This is the antennas. And then what do we have in there? I don't know if there's anything meant to be. So you got the battery case here with the screw that's in the case. So it takes 3 AA batteries by the looks of it, 1.5 volts. It's quite standard by the way. There's no, don't know where you put the phone, to be fair. I would have thought, I don't know what these are for, like, but I would have thought that you're meant to put the phone somewhere here, unless this pulls out somehow. Yes, it does. Yes. There we go. So you put the phone here then. Yeah, and then you got the controls. I believe here, yes, on here, you will have more appropriate gear sticks or gear levers, just to keep it a bit more compact. Maybe? Yes. You push these in, and then you can control it from here. That's a bit better now. Oops, I didn't push it properly in like, but that's where they're supposed to go. Now this one went actually quite in. Let me push this one as well. Yeah. Yeah, you got on and off, you got the GPS button, and you got video recording, and also other buttons. No other hotkeys at the back, which is fine, but yeah, you can get big phones on here by the looks of it. So in addition to that, obviously this is the drone. You open it up. I'm just gonna speed this video before my other cameras overheat. Yeah, so you open it like this. Okay, one of the cameras overheated now, so it doesn't matter. I'll keep on going like that for the time being. Let me just switch that off. It seems to be the right camera overheating. I don't know why, but we'll just swap between left and main camera. So this is a drone. So you pull this tab to take this cover off, and that's where the GPS goes on. So it just clips on. Okay, that's what chips. Okay, so you got the camera here. Can you move the camera? Oh yeah, you can. So the camera, it's completely, you can't control it. I can hear the mechanism. I'm not sure what kind of lenses we're dealing with, but we do have a camera there, and we also got the batteries, which I believe you just slide, maybe push on this bit, slide in. Yeah, so those are on now, and off you go. I can't really use it now because I just can't, because I don't have any batteries. But the intention of this video is to be basic unboxing. Yeah, I'll use this drone. I don't know how much it weighs unless I can take my scale out with the battery. Let's have a look. Yeah, I've got my scale here, so I don't know if you can see that, but I'll measure it for my own reference somehow. So the way I need to fold these in, aren't I? In order to measure it, fold the legs in. Okay. So interior with the battery, this is okay. So my other camera overheated. It's a bit strange. Maybe I need to reduce the quality of the video in order to be able to use the cameras. But so we are looking at, I don't know if you can see that without the light on. You're looking at 570 grams. So obviously this is over 250 grams with the battery. You will need a drone license for this. Well, a drone license to operate it. Now, that's only if you're in UK. In the States, I'm not sure what kind of regulations you're dealing with, but that's in UK, you need a license. So yeah, so it comes with 3 batteries. All these batteries are USB-C. Let me see if I can take it out. Okay, so you got a bit of a plug in there, USB-C. Obviously you do have the cable, but you don't have the actual adapter, so you have to buy that yourself. And what else? Power button on the top. I don't think there's anything else that we haven't covered, guys, to be fair. I think that's about it. 3 batteries, cameras, phone, app, which is an instruction manual. And yeah, that's about it. I don't want to prolong this video. Sorry that it took so long. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. I'll put a link for this item. It will be an Amazon affiliated link. So you will be able to, if you purchase this item from the Amazon affiliate link, it's not more expensive. You just have got a bit of some kind of financial bonus, so to say, for the sale. So I can't really recommend this yet. I haven't really had many drones. I believe this is like a budget version. So I'm yet to test it. Once I test it and I find out how it performs, I'll put some comments into this video. But for now, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like this video, obviously please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and have a good night. Bye.